it does feel pretty awkward.
Yeah.
The GoPro out here and the microphone's on us. But we don't care. We're having fun, right?
Yeah.
You grind your teeth, can't hide your bloodshot eyes, talking in your sleep. Guess we're on a losing streak, but we're in good company. I feel better when you speak, 'cause you know the words to comfort me. Our car won't start, our weekend plans fall apart. Dagger to the heart, just when it gets hard. You are a monster, really are, climbing up the dark. Guess we're on a losing streak, but we're in good company. I feel better when you speak, 'cause you know the words to comfort me. Guess we're on a losing streak, but we're in good company. I feel better when you speak, 'cause you know the words to comfort me.
Does it look good?
Yeah, it looks very good.
All right. Ooh, I need hot sauce. Really going to town there, dude. You're not even talking. Dude, you're eating as fast. That good, huh?
Maybe maybe go to a park, like when we go on the scooters, like when you go on the skateboard. That's what I want to do today.
Okay. That sounds fun.
Yeah, I know.
Also,
What?
I was thinking, what if we went to
What?
Target and got a new Lego set and we built it? They have one that's a roller coaster. I think that'd be pretty
And
cool.
how much is it?
Don't worry about money.
Uh-huh.
If they have it, would you help me build it?
Today, yes.
Okay. Well, let's do that. We're gonna do that.
I like the scootering around.
All right. I bet you I go faster than you.
Yeah, you probably are because you have a skateboard.
I got the boosted board.
Yeah, and it's much faster.
You're right. You're right. Are you gonna go down that big slide again?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, you are.
Ooh.
It's a tight spot.
Really?
We're gonna try to back in.
How?
Oh, we're good. We are good.
Oh, I need a stand.
You guys stand?
Yeah.
Got it? Come on, muscles.
If it's hard to do.
Push. There you go.
It said you cleaned the car good.
Oh, thanks, dude.
Okay.
Got it? Is it funny?
Yeah, you're acting funny.
You're acting funny. I'm just chilling.
Well, I'm just chilling. Look, there's little duckies. They're ducky friends.
Look at those guys. You see that? Those ducks over there. That girl.
They're like friends almost, but they keep wanting them.
They're hitting the ducks.
I know.
Why are they hitting the ducks? Look at this.
It feels kind of nice.
It does feel kind of nice. I think it's about to get really hot.
It's been hot for so long. Whopper, 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 Junior double triple whopper.
This one says, you know the way home, Mary. Joe and Mary Keating, married for 68 years. That's a long time.
68 years?
Yeah.
No.
All right, we gotta find some more sidewalks to ride on.
Really?
Yeah, we haven't gone anywhere.
Meow.
So what happened? You got bit?
Yeah, I got bit on my leg.
Oh no. Was that pretty fun though?
Pardon me, I'm so sorry. I thought.
Oh, you're good. Watch out, bub.
So sorry.
You're good.
Wait, traveling west.
You wait.
Wait, traveling. And we out. You should keep the camera on when we're at Target because I'm probably gonna have a lot of questions. Because when I go places, I question about things.
It's very true. You asked like 100 questions an hour.
Yeah, I do.
Woo! All right, here it is. All right, so we got it finished, right?
Yep.
Let's see.
I think it's not this. It's this rocket ship.
It's not this little rocket ship.
No. But
It's like
this thing is cool.
little ride-on rocket
But
ship.
that one was my favorite on the Lego set.
Oh.
Yeah.
Look at this little baby guy.
I know, he's so adorable.
I don't know if we can see that on the camera.
No.
It's like a little spaceman baby.
Yeah. And
Oh,
there's
yeah.
an alien.
Oh, he just sits on there?
And he goes, "Wee."
Ah.
Yeah. It's a baby.
Do you like this sign? I think that's pretty cool. It says space.
It's hard to tell with this one, guys.
What? That definitely looks like an A.
I
Pretty
mean,
sure that's very clear.
the rest look perfect.
Okay.
What parts did you make?
I made this space station.
And I made this.
You made the base
The
layer.
one below it.
I made the sign. I made the little space alien, and I made the rocket.
I made this. I made all of these pillars. I put all of these guys on top. I put these. And I did the rover.
You know what?
What?
I'm a little exhausted.
Yeah.
You want to watch a movie?
Yes.
Let's say we turn on a movie.
Okay.
All right, let's do a movie.
Okay. I'm just always far away.
Yeah. You have a good day?
Yeah, I did.
What was your favorite part of today?
Probably making that Lego.
That was pretty fun. What kind of movie do you want to watch?
Let me think about that.
A scary movie?
Yeah.
Like, really scary?
Oh, really scary?
Yeah, we probably shouldn't watch a scary movie before bed.
Okay, then no.
All right, well, let's see what else they have. Does this movie look good?
Yeah.
All right, let's watch it.
Need you to stay.